how you can buy brand clothing at Hacoo. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, open the Hacoo app on your phone. Now, log into your account. If you don't have one, just create one. It's very easy. Once you are logged in, go to the search box at the top. Then, type the name of the brand you want, like Nike or Adidas. If nothing shows up, it could be because of your region. So, now tap your profile at the bottom right. Then, click the 3 lines at the top right to open settings. After that, tap on Region and pick a different country, like the United Kingdom. If the region doesn't change when you tap it, don't worry. Just close the app, hold down on the app icon, and tap the little I button. Then, find and tap Clear Data. First, clear the cache, and then clear all data. Now, open Hacoo again, log back into your account, and try changing your region once more. Once your region is set, search again for the brand you want. If it's still not showing, it just means the brand is not available right now. You can check back later because new stuff keeps coming in. And that's it. That's how you can buy brand clothing at Hacoo.